Alright guys, welcome into another video. Today I wanted to do something a little bit different and show you one of my favorite pieces of my video making kit, and that's the DJI Mavic Air 2. It just does a really good job of mixing up the video content and creating a sense of space for the viewer. One thing I like to do a lot with my drone when it's in the air is slow camera movement. Doing this allows me to get a really nice cinematic look to the video, which is a lot smoother and nicer on the viewer's eyes. Another thing that helps out a lot in the air too, especially when it's windy, is the 4-axis gimbal on the drone here, and it just really keeps it nice and steady in the air, allowing for, again, that really nice smooth shot. Another thing I like to play with a lot too is the speed settings that come with the drone as well. So you have your tripod speed, which is really nice and slow and steady. That's how I get really close to things, and I'm in complete control of the shot. The second speed setting is normal, and that's kind of around a range of 20 miles an hour or so, and that's just a really nice cruising speed, and the gimbal is rock solid. And lastly, the other speed is sport, and sport mode is good for getting to point A to point B really quickly, as well as fighting through some of the wind. Another thing it's good for is getting really low and fast to something, and that just kind of makes it fun for the viewer as well. There's no doubt that drones are a very touchy subject for people, so I want to respect other people's space. You always want to make sure you're flying in daylight and in line of sight. This allows you to have a general knowledge of where your drone is at all times. These really are incredible pieces of technology. I love flying it, and it does a really good job of mixing up the video content. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you like it. I'm going to keep flying this thing and keep coming up with some good shots for you guys. So we'll see you in the next one.